Hello boys and girls, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I'd like to address a pretty quick question that I get pretty regularly via email from you guys. And it's an email that says something like, hey Becca, I live in a place like Ohio, let's just say, where we don't really get a ton of hail, but we have a lot of wind claims. Will your training or will your supplement stuff or your door knock training, all that stuff work if it's wind instead of hail? And simple answer, absolutely. The supplementing components don't change. You know, the roof siding gutters don't change just because it's a wind claim instead of a hail claim. Or do you maybe have like fewer damages on things like gutters and siding? Sure. Is the approval process going to be different? Of course, but I don't really have much to do with that. That's going to be, you know, the adjuster's rules for whatever the insurance company approves based on how many shingles are loose or zippered or have been torn off, or you know, the seal's been broken on, and yada yada yada, as opposed to having like hits per square. But everything else is the exact same. You know, the door approach, you might not be talking about hail damage, but you're talking about wind damage. That's pretty much it. Everything else is exactly the same. You know, the sales process doesn't change. You're supplementing for the same roofing components at the end of the day. So yes, is your simple answer. It will work absolutely for wind damage. Most of the time people in the storm restoration industry are writing hail. And so, you know, 80-90% of the time it's hail. So that's what my stuff is written for, but just literally replace the word hail with wind and you're good to go. So as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit my website, www.roofsalesmastery.com, for more info on my programs, and I would love to have you. Please join. Adios. Bye.